In this video, I'll detail how to set up voice control on iPhone X. So if you have any of the iPhone X series, whether iPhone X, iPhone XX, iPhone X Max, and iPhone XR, then this video is going to walk you through step by step on how you can easily set up voice control on your iPhone. So if I don't know this video, you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now, all you just need to do to set up voice control on your iPhone X is go to your iPhone settings. On the settings page, scroll down and click on accessibility. Then after that, scroll down. Under physical and motor, then click on voice control. Then you should see set up voice control, then tap that. Then you should see what that says voice control. You need to set up your voice control by clicking on the continue button or choose your language. Yeah, then go ahead and download the language you want to use. Once done, click on the done button and then click on continue. Then here, what can I say? You can say system command, where you'll be able to set up your system command on your iPhone on voice control. Then once it is enabled, then you're going to see voice control turned on. So that then once the system control is enabled here, then you want to wait until the language is downloaded and installed on your iPhone. And if you want to use US English, then you can just come here, select US English under ready to use or Canadian English like this, and then hit the back button. And when next you want to use your iPhone and you want to use the system control, you can use this alongside with Siri on your iPhone. So that's all you need to do to set up system control on your iPhone. And when it is ready, you see your voice control is ready. Go to home button using voice control. So from here, home, voice control. So you can now start using voice control on your iPhone. And once you see this blue mic on the bar, it's indicated that the voice control is active. So that's all you need to do to set up voice control on your iPhone X. If you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.